Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect a broker to TradingView. This powerful platform is renowned for its charting capabilities, but it's important to remember it's not a brokerage. Instead, it offers seamless integration with numerous brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from your charts. This means you can perform all your technical analysis and place orders within a single, unified environment, enhancing your trading efficiency. Before you begin, the crucial first step is to verify that your chosen brokerage firm is supported by TradingView. To do this, simply look for the trading panel at the bottom of your chart screen. Clicking on it will reveal a detailed list of all brokers that are integrated with the platform. You'll find many well-known names there, such as Interactive Brokers, Onda, and TradeStation, offering a wide range of choices. Once you've confirmed your broker is supported, the connection process is quite straightforward. In the trading panel, simply select your broker from the list and click the Connect button. A new window will then pop up, asking you to enter your brokerage account's login details. Be prepared to complete any additional security measures, like a two-factor authentication code, to securely establish the link between your accounts. With your broker successfully connected, you can now enjoy the full power of TradingView by placing trades directly from your charts. All your positions and orders will be conveniently accessible within the trading panel. When you're finished trading or wish to switch accounts, disconnecting is simple. Just click on your broker's icon in the trading panel, and then select the Log Out option from the menu to securely end your session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.